Assalamu alaikum, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial we will learn how to calculate size of bolt and we will discuss the specifications of the bolt. And the size we are going to discuss is M12 by 1.25 by 60. First of all, we will discuss the points involving in calculation and specification of bolts. First is length of bolt. The next is diameter of the bolt, pitch of bolt, major diameter, minor diameter, and thread angle. First of all, we will discuss the length of the bolt. The length of bolt refers to the length from face of hexagonal head up to end of the bolt. The next is diameter of bolt. Diameter of the bolt refers to the diameter of cylinder, and we can see in the diagram the diameter is 12 millimeter. As we saw in our first slide that we will discuss the bolt of size M12 by 1.25 by 60, and that 12 was the diameter of cylinder. The next is pitch of bolt. Pitch of the bolt is the distance between two adjacent crusts or troughs, and we can say that the distance between two threads is called pitch. And according to the size we are discussing, our pitch was 1.25 and we can see 1.25 millimeter pitch in this diagram. The next is major diameter. Major diameter is the diameter calculated from the crests of thread, and we can see that in our diagram the major diameter is 11.99. The next is minor diameter. Minor diameter is the diameter calculated from the trough of threads, and we can see that there is 10.64. And next we will discuss the specification and size calculation. The bolt we were discussing about was M12 by 1.25 by 60. M denotes metric. Metric is the unit based on three basic units by which we can measure everything in this world, such as length in meter and mass in kg. Metric is denoted by capital M. The next is diameter of cylinder, which was 12 millimeter, and the next is pitch of threads, which is 1.25 millimeter, and the length of bolt is calculated from the face of hexagonal head up to the face of threaded end. Next we have example M12 by 1.25 by 60. M means metric, 12 mean the diameter of this cylinder, 12 mean the diameter of this cylinder, and 1.25 denotes pitch of this bolt, and 60 means the total length of cylindrical face, and this 60 denotes the total length of this bolt, and the length is calculated from the face of hexagonal head up to the face of threaded end. Now we will move toward a 3D model and we will explain the same terminologies on that 3D model. Here is our 3D bolt. This is the hexagonal head of the bolt, and this is the hexagonal head of the bolt, and the thickness of this head is not calculated in the length of bolt. The length of bolt is calculated from this face up to the face of threaded end. I mean this face. Now we will discuss the diameter of the bolt and the diameter of bolt, and the diameter of the bolt is calculated from this cylinder. Now we will discuss the pitch of the bolt. Pitch of bolt is distance between two adjacent crusts or two adjacent troughs, and we saw in our slides that the pitch was 1.25 mm. Now, thanks for watching. If you are new on our channel, then please subscribe our channel so that you can get notifications of our incoming tutorials.